Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Dodo Webview. So Dodo Webview is basically an online platform that provides you with an opportunity to view your favorite pages freely. As you can see, it provides you with a bill of users who want a clean, immersive, and secure way to access their favorite websites without the clutter of traditional browsers. As you can see, in the traditional browser, there are a lot of tabs and different other applications and bookmarks that may be sometimes be distracting when you're browsing through your favorite website. So Dodo WebView is created keeping under mind those conditions. As we can see, has an advanced auto rotation with full screen mode that will keep you distract free, and also it has a protocol that is HTTPS and SSL support, and has a seamless Safari integration as well, so you can get the both of apps and web walls. So now let's find out if it's actually worth it to use this Dodo Webview application. As you can see, once I tried searching for the reviews of Dodo Webview, I got to know that the people have a mixed opinions on this. While some are praying for their simplicity, while others are also criticizing for the poor performance or being difficult for use. So in conclusion, I would say like you can give it a shot. You can try Dodo Webview application, and if it works for you and works for your favorite website and is minimal for your wants and needs, then you can go for it. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.